all day and sleeps all night.
Sure, I'm cold. It's still. Hey, there's a cave. It's still too cold. Maybe I could make a tiny fire so I can make some hot tea.
Math quickly got the small fire and started to see. The fire crackles, but Bear snores on. Along came Rabbit, shivering in the cold.
Hey, dude, long time no see. Yes, it's so wonderful to see you, Rabbit. Hey, it seems you have some hot tea for me. I haven't had some popcorn. Do you want to make some popcorn and have some tea? Awesome idea.
Just as Mouse and Rabbit finished making the tea and popcorn, Badger came along.
Oh, hi guys. Nice fire. It is so warm and cozy. Hey, I have some nuts. Could we add it to the popcorn and share? Great idea.
But the bear snores on. Suddenly, Gopher and Mole tunnel up through the floor, followed by Run and Raven flying through the door.
Oh, what a night. What a storm. Ooh, what have you got there? Mouse and I decided to make some snacks and tea in this nice warm cave. Oh, have some cake. I have some berries. I have pencils. I have gummy bears.
Even without the noise, the bear snores on.
All without the popcorn. I've brought the tea. This popcorn needs some butter and salt. I have some butter in this bag somewhere. And I have some salt and pepper. Pepper on popcorn! No worries, I have enough food for everyone. Awesome. Now we can all have popcorn the way we like it.
When Mole stuffed the pepper into his pocket, the small frog flew up Bear's nose and makes the bear sneeze.
Achoo!
Everyone freezes, and the bear wakes up. Next year, why are you having a temper tantrum?
You had a fight without me. Now just calm down and breathe in and out. You okay now? No worries there.